Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you're all well. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator here in the UK, and I'm a demonstrator for the UK, Germany, France, Holland, and Austria. I think that's it. Anyway, so that basically means that all the products you see me use today are available to purchase from me via online or via contacting me direct. So please do not hesitate in contacting me regarding any of these products, or if you're interested in doing what I do. So shall we get started? Today's card is a super simple one. Well, it's not one layer because we've got this sentiment popped up, but it's super simple but effective, and we are going to be using a beautiful friendship stamp set. This is gorgeous. As you can see, you've got these wonderful floral images with some foliage and some wonderful sentiments. The sentiment we are using is from the Well Said stamp set, and I've just took this Heartfelt because I just wanted a little sentiment just to sit off to one side. So shall we get started? So I'm starting with a piece of thick whisper white cardstock, and this measures 10.5 by 21. No, that's wrong. By 29.6 even, and that's just folded in half like so. Easy, right? So I'm just going to quickly unfold that because we're going to be doing our stamping, and I'm still going to have the stamping on the back. Because that doesn't bother me personally. If it bothers you, just simply stamp it this way, but please make sure it's flat because you don't want any misprints. So the ink pad I'm using is Smoky Slate, which is a gorgeous ink pad in itself. Let me just close the window. It is boiling here in the UK. It's not a heat wave yet because it's only day 2, but hey ho. It's still warm. So Smoky Slate, and I'm going to be using a mixture of the stamps available, and this is just so we can build it up ever so slightly. So I'm going to ink up my image like so, and I'm going to stamp that down towards the lower middle part and just slightly off the edge, like so. So my ink pad is pretty dry, and that's because I've got another project which you'll see probably later, which does use a lot of my ink, so I'm yet to restock it. And then once I've got the main image down, I'm just going to use the other stamps just to fill out the space. So taking some leaves here, going to stamp them down like so. And what I love about these simple card designs is just how easy you can do so many of them, and you can just have them ready and waiting for any occasion that you might need it for. So again, you can just see I'm taking some of these stamps and just building up the areas like so. And there. Okay, so as you can see, that takes no time at all. So I have already taken my sentiment and heat set that onto some going grey or basic grey. Oh. have it somewhere. Where is it? Bear with. Right. It is basic grey. I was right the second time. God save me. Oh, right, and I've also lost my scissors, which are here. So, with this now, as you can see, I've stamped onto a slightly longer piece, and that's just so I know that I am happy with where the sentiment is. And if needs be, if I'm making multiples, I can do multiples as it is. On one strip even. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this Heartfelt and just pop it to one side. Like so. And then turning it round, I can cut off the excess. And that piece is just going to go on the floor for now. Because ain't nobody got time for that. So with this card, I was just like, okay, as lovely as it is, but it needs something else. So I grabbed these adorable rhinestones, which are on, let me get my catalogue. Page 187. And they are the Gingham Gala adhesive sequins, and they are slightly iridescent, these ones, but they're close enough to clear that I was happy to use them. And they are already adhesive back, so you can literally just pick them up and pop them down. Like so. And there you have today's card. I hope you enjoyed today's card, and while you're here, why not comment? Head into the description bar below even, where you can like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share to your social media so everybody can see how super quick and easy it is to make such a wonderful and simple card. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys around. Bye!